Hey, what's poppin' YouTube? Today we're going to be unboxing an RCA TWS Viper Beat mini wireless LED party speaker. So got this thing for $11.99, which is $12. Not bad for this speaker. I've never seen an RCA speaker. I got my phone here, and we're gonna test out how good the bass is on this. And yep, two little RCA dogs. They're so cute. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. This is literally gonna be something I think I've ever done a freaking unboxing in a little while. So oh, there we go. We're in. Yep. This looks exactly like the speaker that I have, like the Hooker HD261 speaker. And what comes with these accessories, it comes with the manual, the charger, and your warranty card. Tells everything about it. Yep, this is the warranty card. Now let's go ahead and there you go. I had to open it with my lips. Not my teeth, though. Good thing. Well, you couldn't even carry this on a backpack. Nice! Alright, so I don't know, but for some reason... No, not so, for some reason. Let's go ahead and try it. Yeah, I know. Anyways, I got this charger right here. Yep, takes micro USB-C. Very nice. It's pretty nice for a speaker. Let's see what this thing has to say for the manual. All right. Camera's a little bit bad, but hopefully you guys can read it. Please wear your glasses if you can. Yep. First button is the power button. Yep, this one, your power button, your M mode. Yep, it changes mode between Bluetooth, FM, USB, TF, aux. Long press to change the lights. Ooh, we'll be getting over that. The plus button is for the next track or to turn the volume up, and the minus button's to skip, is to go back to a previous song or turn down the volume a bit. In the aux, plug it in external audio using a 3.5mm TRS cable. You have 2.5mm headphone jack, millimeter aux jacks. USB slot. Insert a USB flash drive with the MP3 content for music playback. Insert a TF card with MP3. It's got everything right here. TWS connections only for two. Yeah, basically TWS is basically like pairing two speakers together. I believe if you get another RCA or something, it can actually pair, so don't mind that. But I'll let you guys read the instructions right here. Alright. Overall, you can open your favorite music at. Well, these are all the instructions right here. And here's the back. No one cares about that, but whatever. Anyways, it comes brand new and everything. This thing was made in China. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and turn on the speaker. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yeah, don't mind the people in the background. They're leaving. Oh, I like the LED lights on this. This thing's better than my Hooker speaker. Alright. All I gotta do is go to settings, Bluetooth, turn it on. I like the LED lights on this. It's got everything. Oh, let's. Yeah, I like the LED lights on this. I got a lot of devices paired. What is this? I have the rest of my speakers at home. I'm at someone else's house. Just got back from the outlets and there we go. I believe this is a Flame 101. Oh, wait, what the heck? No. There we go. Allow access to context and color. There we go. Should hear it now. There you go. Just a beep. What about when you disconnect it? Just a freaking beep all the time, dude. It's crazy. I'm shocked. It's only a beep. Don't mind the missed call. Let me just go in it and just don't care. Just trying to test out the speaker. See, it's at 0.5%, half of 100. Alright, let's go ahead and try out Lost. I don't care if my channel, I don't care if the video gets copyrighted. I'm just gonna test it out to see how good it is. Okay, no one cares about that.
Just coast, still drop the top and roll straight. SMVCC 805 is the gold stack. Ain't no place that I'd rather be than the BIG BAD 13C. I got love for the place that raised me, even though times get a little crazy. So I got.
Overall, not bad. It's kind of loud to be honest. I like the bass on this thing. I heard you say M mode changes colors. Alright, I believe. Hold up. Oh, long press. Yeah, to actually change the lights, I long press the M button, the mode button. Oh, I like this one. I like this speaker, not gonna lie. Little LED right there. Reminds me of my Hooker speaker, except it's a different model. Oh, little circulation right there. Connects to a line and it keeps doing the same rotation. Yep. This one like fades out and fades to another color. See? Like that. And boom. This one, whenever it reaches to the last one, it keeps doing the same thing. Pretty cool. Ooh, I like this one. Like this one, to be honest. Reminds me of a little loading screen. Alright, there. Nice one. Here's this one, where it fades out and then fades out to another color and then fades back in. Or no, it just randomly changes the color. Here's this one where it fades out and then fades out to another color. I like this. And this is basically, the last one is just basically no lights. And there you go. Back to normal. Like this one overall. Nice speaker and everything. Would I recommend this speaker? Hell yeah. This one comes in 7 different vibrant light modes. It's got everything. Let's go ahead and go over the box right here. It's got disco lights, memory devices input, Bluetooth wireless, FM radio, mode flame effect lights, easy portable speaker, high how do you say that? Fidently speaker. I don't know how to say that, but this one's water resistant. Overall, I love this speaker, especially the handle. This one's the Flame 101 Blue. Yep, Flame 101 Blue. It's got audio features right here on the back. It's got a audio 2-inch rechargeable party. It's an audio 2-inch rechargeable party speaker, 2-inch woofer for incredible sound. Turn on the 7-color neon style show and party all night long. Like, you want to get with your crazy uncles and shit and stuff. I don't know, but anyways, it got wireless stream for any Bluetooth device. Listen to download content via USB SD media or built-in FM tuner. Micro jack with detected volume treble bass and echo controls. Treble bass is pretty good on this one. Overall, I have to give this. Overall, I kind of like this speaker. Let me think. What would I rate it? I'll rate it I'll give it an 8. 8 out of 10. I like it. And yeah, here it is right here. Cute little puppies right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.